Let's kick things off by talking about the elephant in the room, ChatGPT. It's become insanely popular, but it's not without its flaws. One of the biggest issues is server overload. I'm sure many of you have experienced being locked out when you need it most. It's incredibly frustrating, especially if you rely on ChatGPT for work or creative projects. Another limitation is the knowledge cutoff. ChatGPT's training data only goes up to a certain point, which means it might not have the latest information on current events or rapidly evolving fields. And let's be honest, those usage limits can be a real pain, especially for power users. But hey, despite these limitations, ChatGPT has revolutionized how we interact with AI. Its natural language capabilities are impressive, making it easy to have human-like conversations and get tasks done, from writing essays to generating code. Now, let's talk about a powerhouse contender, Google Gemini. This is Google's answer to ChatGPT, and it's making waves. One of its biggest advantages is real-time data retrieval. Unlike ChatGPT, Gemini pulls information directly from the internet, so you always get the latest updates. It's a game changer, especially if you need up-to-the-minute information for research or business decisions. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Google products like Search, Gmail, and Docs, which is a huge plus for those of you already deep in the Google ecosystem. Gemini also boasts powerful image generation capabilities with Imagen 3, allowing you to create stunning visuals from text prompts. However, its free tier does have a usage limit, and once you hit it, you're locked out until the next billing cycle. It's a bit of a bummer, but for many casual users, the free version offers plenty of functionality. If you're a developer or working on complex tasks, you definitely need to check out Claude. This is an advanced AI assistant built by Anthropic with a focus on coding and reasoning. It handles complex prompts like a champ, and its large context window is a godsend for managing massive amounts of data. In fact, in some tests, Claude has outperformed even ChatGPT in coding and reasoning tasks. Plus, its commitment to safety and ethical AI use is impressive. They're transparent about how they use your data, which is a big plus in today's privacy-conscious world. Now, the downside is that Claude's free access is limited, and it can be inaccessible during peak hours, but its paid version is well worth the investment for its robust capabilities. For those of you integrated into the Microsoft world, Copilot is a must-have. It's deeply baked into Microsoft products like Windows 11, Bing, and Microsoft 365, making it super convenient for boosting your productivity. It's powered by GPT-4 Turbo, so you get the same level of intelligence as ChatGPT, but with the added bonus of Microsoft's ecosystem. Think real-time access to your documents, emails, and calendar. It's incredible for streamlining your workflow, and it's got some killer features like generating, editing, and customizing images with DALL-E 3. Plus, Copilot Voice lets you chat with the AI using your voice, which is surprisingly natural and helpful. Now, the free version does have some limitations, like no file uploads, but the paid version unlocks even more power. If you're all about social media and messaging, Meta AI is your go-to chatbot. It's integrated across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, making it super accessible for everyday conversations and tasks. It's powered by LLaMA 3.1 and can generate images, answer questions, and summarize articles. It's also got a fantastic voice mode with celebrity voices, which is a fun little perk. And the best part? It's completely free to use. Now, it does require a Facebook account, and it's currently only available in the US, but hopefully, that will change soon. Now, let's spice things up with Grok. This is Elon Musk's entry into the AI chatbot arena, and it's got a distinct personality. It's witty, blunt, and sometimes even a bit controversial, which is quite different from the typically cautious tone of other chatbots. It's also got real-time knowledge access through X, formerly Twitter, so it's always up to date on current events and trending topics. You've got to be an X Premium Plus subscriber to get, but it's worth checking out if you're looking for an AI chatbot that's not afraid to push the boundaries a bit, and will sometimes even tackle topics that other AI models refuse to respond to. If open source is your jam, you've got to explore Mistral AI. They've got some incredibly capable models, especially for multilingual use and complex reasoning. Mistral Large 2 matches GPT-4 level abilities for certain use cases. It's fast, efficient, and available through the easy-to-use Mistral chat. The best part? It's free. Now, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of ChatGPT, like image generation, but for pure language tasks, it's a top contender. Speaking of open source, let's not forget LLaMA. Developed by Meta, LLaMA is widely accessible and powering innovative applications across different platforms. It's incredibly versatile and being utilized in everything from AI assistants to research projects. And with Meta actively investing in its development, LLaMA will likely become far more capable soon. The fact that Meta has made it open source means that it can be built upon and leveraged in a variety of use cases, and may even be cheaper to run than other models with comparable or superior performance benchmarks. For research and information retrieval, Perplexity is a top choice. It combines the best of both worlds, a conversational AI chatbot and a search engine. You get chat-like interactions with cited sources, which is phenomenal if you need to verify information or conduct deep research. It's also great for staying up to date on the latest news and developments. Now, the free version does have limitations, but its paid version is power user heaven. Want to explore a whole bunch of AI chatbots in one place? Check out Poe. This platform from Quora gives you access to a variety of models, including ChatGPT, Claude, and even LLaMA. It's like a buffet of AI assistants, so you can compare and contrast their capabilities. Now, access to some models is limited with the free version, but it's a great way to get started and find your favorite. Now, if you're a developer, this next part is for you. I tested ChatGPT and several alternatives for their coding capabilities, and man, some interesting results came out. While some models can generate useful code snippets and assist with programming tasks, not all can build full app projects. For instance, when I asked ChatGPT to generate a Mac app from scratch using a detailed prompt, it struggled and the code wasn't usable. However, when I broke down the task and requested smaller routines, such as one for putting a menu on the Mac menu bar, it performed impeccably. This highlights how AI excels at assisting with specific coding challenges, rather than full-blown development. It's like having an incredibly smart junior developer to bounce ideas off and generate smaller pieces of code. On the AI writing front, there are some promising alternatives to ChatGPT as well. Tools like Claude and Jasper have shown impressive capabilities in generating creative content. They can adapt to different tones, summarize text, and produce some fairly compelling writing samples. In my own tests, I found that while none can fully replace a human writer, these tools can certainly boost your creativity and streamline your writing workflow. For specialized writing tasks like generating marketing copy, Jasper and other tools like Copy.ai provide valuable templates and frameworks, enhancing their effectiveness. They can adapt to different brand voices and generate polished content quickly. Their copy editing features and plagiarism checkers are additional perks, improving their usability. AI image and video generation tools have come such a long way. In my experiments with AI image generators, I discovered that many produce stunning visuals that rival professionally created artwork. When I used the prompt, "Generate a realistic image of a post-apocalyptic city overrun by nature," ChatGPT, using DALL-E 3, delivered a detailed depiction, including overgrown skyscrapers, wildlife, and survivors scavenging among the ruins. However, not all image generators performed as well. Some missed finer details or produced less realistic results. Overall, AI image generation has opened up incredible opportunities for artists, designers, and anyone looking to create unique visuals quickly. As for video generation, the landscape is rapidly evolving. Companies are racing to offer realistic AI-generated videos, and while only a few tools, like Runway, act as viable alternatives to OpenAI's Sora, they provide different tools and features, but all work on the cloud, as opposed to being available locally on your device. Now, let's get serious for a moment and talk about AI safety. This is a huge topic, and I would hate to ignore it. As impressive as these AI chatbots are, they're not without risks. One major concern is bias. For example, my bias test revealed that ChatGPT exhibits bias when it comes to gender-related conflicts, categorizing situations differently based on the gender of the person involved. Gemini, on the other hand, performed better on these tests. The bias and hallucination issues highlighted in platforms like OpenAI's Whisper underscore the importance of carefully reviewing outputs, especially if the tool is being used in high-risk domains like healthcare or legal contexts. It is essential to treat AI as a tool to augment human abilities, rather than substituting human intellect altogether. Remember, guys, these tools are constantly evolving, and the AI community is actively working on addressing these issues, so it's valuable to be mindful and discerning when using AI chatbots. Open source AI is another significant trend in the world of AI chatbots. The increasing popularity of tools like Mistral AI and the LLaMA family from Meta highlights the growing importance of transparency, customizability, and cost-effectiveness in AI development. Open source models empower developers to tailor AI systems to specific needs, fine-tuning models, and building personalized applications. It's also much easier to verify the safety and ethical considerations of open source models. While these may lack the polish and extensive suite of features of proprietary models initially, They offer unmatched flexibility and control over AI technology. Many have also shown promising benchmarks, even outperforming their commercially available counterparts in tasks like code generation and logical reasoning. While open-source tools may require more technical skill to implement, companies are continuously releasing new applications and interfaces that simplify AI use and make it more accessible to anyone, regardless of skill level or budget. So, what does the future hold for AI chatbots? It's an exciting time, folks. The continuous evolution of models like GPT-4o and the emergence of new platforms like Canvas from OpenAI indicate the potential for far more dynamic and integrated AI writing and coding workflows. Project Operator from OpenAI also suggests that AI agents are right around the corner, which could transform how we interact with AI for both personal and business tasks. These are basically AI assistants in your productivity suite of choice, like ChatGPT inside Google Docs or Microsoft Word, but that can also be sent off to do things on their own. It'll be fascinating to see how the AI landscape evolves in 2025 and beyond. With all the breakthroughs in the past few years, we can expect even more astonishing innovations coming our way. AI tools are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, changing how we work, learn, and create. I'm certain it's only the beginning, guys. The AI revolution is here, and it's time we embraced this wave of innovation and discovered what AI can do for us.